Hi there folks, it's Tim here from the Online Physiotherapist, and what I want to talk to you around today is the aerobic step. Now, one of these beauties is so simple to use, and it's particularly vital if you don't have access to a gym, can't afford the membership, can't get there, it's locked down, or actually you just don't want to leave your house. So the beauty of these things are threefold. Firstly, you can burn out an incredible amount of fat on one of these things. Secondly, you can go to a high intensity, and thirdly, it's low impact. So one of these beauties is amazing, particularly to rehab your shoulders, your hips, your back, your knees, and your ankle. So I'm going to start with our shoulders. So all you do is you pop it on the floor, and we've got our wide press ups there. You can then move it across, and then you've got your narrow press ups. You can then start to do some decline press ups by putting it behind you, putting your feet on the step, and then starting to do some press ups just like this. Okay, so that is just a little taster into what you can do for a shoulder workout. The second thing you can do is rehabilitate your low back. Now, to get your low back going, we need to look at your hips. Okay, so you can do a decline hip exercise. So putting your feet up on the side of this step makes it much harder. What you can then start to do is look at bringing your hips down and up, and that's going to work your obliques. Next, you can look at bringing up your top hip, works your obliques and the edge of your hip as well. Now, in terms of looking at the knee and how to rehabilitate your knee, here are just some simple exercises for you to do. So imagine this with your injured knee. What you're going to do is just come and straighten that knee, okay? And the other foot is just going to graze the ground. So the important thing with this is keeping your knee over your second toe. Now, obviously, the next thing you can do is some step ups. You can do that to the side as well. Okay, and you can also do some jumps as well. So there's a whole host you can do with that. In terms of the ankle, it's a fantastic piece of kit because you can be doing some gradual decline to slowly get impact back into that ankle. So a graduated hop is simply you're going to go from a normal step down into gradually getting more impact through. Particularly helpful for the knee and for the ankle, until eventually you can go down like this. Now, the other benefit around an aerobic step is actually that you can take it apart and you can lower it down, so you can differentiate the height of it as well. So that, folks, is a short video for you to just tell you about some of the wonderful benefits that you can get from an aerobic step just like this. If you're out and about, I would highly suggest getting one of these. Or actually, if you're in an area where they don't normally have steps or stairs, then one of these is absolutely fantastic. So look in the box below and there will be a link specifically to one of these aerobic steps. I hope that served you really well. And if you have any problems at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, send us a message. Until next time.